Okay, we're going to do a carbon clean with a HC 700 and let's start him up. The system itself does all its own safety checks, so if there's any problems of overpressure or needs water adding, the machine itself will tell you. We can adjust the time if we want to any time we want, so let's go to, well, we can go to 30 minutes if you want, 30 minutes, or let's just do a 5 minute. Nope. Right. Messing this up. Let's just do a 5 minutes, so let's set that to 0. Pressing this one, look, to adjust the value. So let's do a 5 minute carbon clean. Here we go. Set the 5 minutes. Right. Here we have excellent safety feature, which is a vibration sensor, which means when you connect it to the engine itself, the engine vibrates, tells the machine that the engine is running, so the machine will carry on producing hydrogen. Let's put the hydrogen gas pipe into the air intake. This will be sucked in through the vacuum and into the engine, into the whole fuel system, and break up carbon deposits. An air intake here. I'll just show that more clear. So the hydrogen gas pipe, we're just putting into the air intake. Now I'm going to start the engine. As you can see, the vibration sensor there is telling the machine that the engine is running. And then press start. Now the HC 700, there you have it, it's producing 649 litres an hour. As the electrolyte breaks down over the coming months, this will start to drop. All you do then is do a new mix and you can bring it back up to its maximum output if desired. That right now is doing your carbon clean. It's really as simple as that, really. Now, I'm not in the business of dissing other people's machines, but when people are selling things that are quite dangerous, I feel the need to explain to somebody, to people who are buying these machines actually. This is actually a jewellery welding machine. It's not a hydrogen engine carbon cleaning machine. Now, as you can see the size on it, it's probably producing about 200 litres max at its maximum, but the problem is it has no safety features, unlike our Hydrotech machines. If the engine keeps running and the gas coming back down this pipe, you're going to have a blowback. There are no safety features on this, so it's very dangerous to use it as a carbon cleaning machine for engines. Unlike our Hydrotech machines, which has your vibration sensor here to cut off the supply, and it also has flashback arresters inbuilt into the system, which means that if if it was to carry on and you did get a flashback down the gas pipe, it would simply blow the valve and you would get no flashback whatsoever. There's nothing to worry about. But with this, as far as I can see, there's no safety features on it. So although they're being sold as hydrogen carbon cleaners, someone's etched it in there on the system. It's just being etched in. They shouldn't really be sold as carbon cleaners. That's all I can say, really. If you want to buy a welding machine with no safety features, carry on. If you want a proper industrial machine that's going to look the part, and also you're not going to have any safety problems, then you get what you pay for, really. The 5 minutes are up. The machine has turned itself off there with an alarm. Now all we do is we take the gas pipe out, put that back, take the vibration sensor off, turn the machine off, and then we rev the engine a few times to get the hydrogen out of the engine. End of carbon cleaning. Voila.